In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily view Google Drive sharing permissions. Understanding how to access and manage these settings is crucial for maintaining control over who can access your documents and ensuring your data stays secure. To start, make sure you're logged into the Google account associated with the Google Drive you'd like to access. If you're not logged in, you'll need to do that first. Simply go to the Google homepage and click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to Google Drive by typing Google Drive into the search bar, or access it directly if you have it bookmarked. Once in Google Drive, locate the file or folder for which you want to see the sharing permissions. This could be a document, spreadsheet, or any type of file you have stored on your drive. It's important to note that these instructions apply to all types of files you can store on Google Drive, so feel free to apply this process broadly. Now, hover your cursor over the document or folder. You'll see some actions appear to the right of the title. Click on the Share icon, which looks like a silhouette of a person with a plus sign. This will open the Sharing Settings window, where you can view and manage the sharing permissions. Within this window, you will see a list of people who currently have access to your document or folder. For each person, there will be corresponding information about the level of access you've granted them, whether it's viewer, commenter, or editor rights. These three levels determine what actions an individual can perform within your document: viewing only, leaving comments, or editing the file respectively. Make a mental note here. Checking these permissions regularly can help you identify any unnecessary or outdated access and remove it if needed. Next, to view any additional options or change permissions, look to the right of each person's name. You'll notice a small drop-down menu next to their access level. If you click on it, you can adjust their level of permission if needed. While you're at it, ensure to review if anyone still requires access to your documents. You might find that some people can be removed to enhance the security of your files. In the same access window, there might be a section that indicates who has the link to your document. If your file is link shared, it will mention what people with the link can do, whether it's just viewing, commenting, or editing. You can also adjust these settings by selecting Change and choosing the appropriate level of access or disabling link sharing if necessary. As we wrap up, remember, checking your sharing permissions on Google Drive is a simple yet effective way to maintain control over your data. Regularly updating permissions ensures your documents are shared only with the people who truly need access. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in our next video.